Alright, we're at the depot, y'all. Hard me to see my camera because the sun's so bright, but 30-35 on the locomotive. We got crew on it. They're not sticking their head out the window. I know there's a crew on because if you look at the brake wheel back here, you look at the slackness in the chain, they haven't pulled the brakes on. If they were getting in the taxi or whatever, they would have had to put the brakes on. You see the brakes are on by the air, they're not pulled by that chain. I did a video on that showing that the other day. Alright, this is locomotive 931. Both of them got radial trucks on them. This one's shut down, so I assume it's not needed. It's a manifest freight. They're headed north to Greenwood. They'll do a crew change when they get there, but right now I think we got a train coming out of Greenwood this way. So I gotta keep an eye out on that. This is the ES44AH, and I don't know if you can see the conductor's backs to us right now. Alright, I'm going to pause it for a little bit. There's a shed over there with a little chair in the shade I usually go sit in. But I'm going to go down here and get the signal at the north end. I assume it's going to be a medium approach medium for this guy coming in. Alright, thank you. Alright, we've still got a stop signal at the north end of Abbeville southbound. You might be able to see the headlights in the train that's sitting on the main line in Abbeville. I assume we're going to have a train meet here today, but it doesn't have any signals lit up for anything to come through. I didn't even check the tracks and see if they were lined. It looks like they're still lined for the main line. They're not lined for the side, so he's got to line the switch, and then they'll give him either a medium approach medium, which is a red over yellow over flashing green, or he'll give him an approach signal. I doubt he'll get that. He'll probably get the medium approach because he's going in the siding. Alright, thank y'all. God bless y'all. Alright y'all, northbound is calling me. He's leaving out. He knew I was up here, so he honked and let me know. Thank y'all. 30-35. ES44AH, 931, ES44AH, A-OK at Norfolk Southern steel car. Big old gondola there, deep, what they call them. And these are grainers here. See little pockets on there, on your hoppers. Put vibrators in there, help shake the load out. See, he's got them too. I think these are grainers. I'm not sure. They got interesting little doors on the bottom. That's corrosive. And we got some shiny rims, but I don't know. They got a hump yard down in Atlanta. I don't know why these rims are all shiny. That's usually a sign of coming out like Hamlet, North Carolina. These are loaded and covered hoppers. These are grain, I assume. Got some wheels in that one. That would be plastic, center flow, cement. Some more center flow, probably plastics in there. See the pipes, center flow pipes. And those are loaded cars too. Grainer loaded. Look empty. Tank car corrosive. They look empty too. 1805, whatever that is, I don't know. It says phosphoric acid, so 1805 is phosphoric acid, y'all. NOK bulkhead flat car. Now we got flat car. Got no more low bulkheads on it. Sheetrock, y'all. Coming out of the south, going north. Some more grainers here. Boxcar, TR, I don't know who that is. Slug door boxcar. That's lumber there. Center beam full of lumber. Some more cement. Here's the slack running in, y'all. Oh, he done pulled on some more. He pulled the slack out. Alright, we got the bottom end coming up. Union tank car, more corrosive hydrochloric acid. More grainers. Here's the bottom end coming up. MWCX, I don't know who that is, but it's a company, it's not a railroad. End in X, it didn't end in any other letter. Alright, so that's why CSX ends in a T. They call it CSXT on the report marks. So it would not be a non-railroad, that's a railroad. Alright, thank y'all, hope you enjoyed it. God bless you. Alright, got a northbounder coming through. Coming downhill. 343, 128, auto racks. Hey, that's interesting. I don't know how long we're so down there in the daylight closer to read that one. End of the train. Looks like it's a short one to me, y'all. Alright, thank you. God bless y'all. Hope y'all have fun.